Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and today I wanted to discuss two pretty awesome tools, pretty powerful tools for your phone. One is going to incorporate both Android and iPhone. That comes with Windows, and that's really what the basis of this video is about. Another one is just for Android. Sorry, iPhone users, I'm not an iPhone user. Is there an equivalent of what I'm going to show you? I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do a quick search and see if that's possible. So I have big hands. So why do I bring that up? Um, it's really hard for me to type on a phone. It's extremely hard. So this tool for me makes life extremely easy because I don't know, 90% of my time is sitting at this computer. So what I'm talking about is Phone Link, and that's a Microsoft product, and that comes with Windows 10 and Windows 11. So we are going to get into it and set it up. Now, if you, for some reason, you don't have the tool, all the links will be down in the description, of course. You can go here and you can download it. But everyone else, if you just put in like your search bar, if you put in phone, there it is right there. All right. So, and I brought this up just to read it here. Phone Link Experience will come pre-installed in your PC with Windows 10 or Windows 11. Simply search Phone Link, which we just did, in the Start menu. If you are on Windows 10 and cannot find Phone Link, you may need to update to a later version of Windows 10 or download Phone Link directly from the Microsoft Store, which I did just show you, because I'm awesome to show you good stuff. All right, so just hit on get in store, open store. I'm sure you've gotten stuff from Microsoft Store before, but if not, that's how you do it. All right, and just hit open. I'm going to hit open. Then you can hit open here, or you can go into your search and open from there. So if you put in phone, so either orifice. All right, so we'll hit open here. All right, and here we are. So depending on your phone, I have an Android. So I'm going to hit here. On your Android phone, okay, so just go to that address that's shown right here. So WWAK. So, all right. All right. There we go. All right, get ready to access your phone from your PC. Click the button to continue. Next, you will be prompted to install to open the link. So let's hit this. So if you allow me to interject here, because I am recording this after I filmed this particular tutorial, me hitting that continue button is doing absolutely nothing for me. So it might be different for you. It might continue and process through. For me, it did not. So what I'm going to do is go directly to my phone to install the app. So either way, hit that continue and follow through on what the instructions are. Or if you find that continue is not working for you, go directly to your phone and just install the app. And I will show you how to do that now. Okay, so from here, we just want to go to the store. And from here, we want to put in phone link. So hit the phone link. There it is right there. We want to install this on our phone. Okay, and once it's installed, let's open. And we want to link your phone to the PC. Okay, so we're ready to pair. I got the phone in my hand. I just showed you that I installed the app. I will bring this up. So I'm going to put pair with QR code, and it should generate a QR code for me. There we go. So I go back to my phone. Got my QC code or QR code. Sorry, my QC code. So I'm going to hit continue. All right. So I'm going to hit on this. I'm just going to hit on here, allow link windows to take pictures and record. That's fine, because then it will transfer over. Okay, and then we are going to get that code. Pairing with your PC, hold tight. All right, let me see what's going on my screen there. Next up, apps permission. I'm gonna hit continue here. I'm gonna allow link to Windows. I'm gonna allow link to Windows for managed phone calls. I'm gonna link the whole shebang, and I'll show you why. Okay, let's try to connect. Let's continue. Let the app run in the background. Yep. So when you're doing other stuff, your phone's in the room, your computer can update. John, okay, it says check your computer. Help us improve. Yeah, that's fine. So your phone and your PC are linked. Perfecto. Okay, so go back over to our computer. We hit continue. Welcome. All right, open phone link when I sign into Windows. That's perfect. I always want that. And then let's see, select task, send them text message, make a call. You can skip all this stuff. My girlfriend just messaged me. I'll have to see what she wants. Oh no, that's the message I sent her. Okay, so as you see up here, we're connected. You can make calls. So for instance, I will call the home phone. All right, we're going to set this up. We're back to my phone. So I'm going to allow that on my phone. I'm going to allow. And then we're back to the PC. It's still doing its thing. You couldn't add your device. Try again. Pairing your phone with a PC. So yes, and pair. Okay. Yep, send permission. That's fine. Allow. Continue your call history. Okay. Then we can do photos in a minute if you want, but we'll make a phone call real quick on our PC. As you can hear in the background, the phone is ringing. See if she picks up.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Just testing this app.
I thought it was Noreen.
No, it's your son. All right. Thank you.
You work.
All right. Thanks. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
All right. So we called. So as you can see, we did an outgoing call. Here's messages. You're not going to read anything that's any taboo or anything. There's a bunch of messages I have. I just go through them. If you want to send a new message, you can see if Jeff's on here. So it's going to link up to your the contacts in your phone. So like the mom that I just called. So you can send them a message, a text message, if they're allowed to receive those. And then you're going to have notifications over here. Let's do this. Okay, so we're going to do what it says here. So it says open settings on your phone to unlock your device. So let's hit settings here. Toggle on link to Windows. So, okay. So open settings on phone and unlock the device. Link to Windows is what we're looking for. Link to Windows. Okay, it's right here. We're going to allow access. We're going to allow that. And look what's popping up here. It's beautiful. I love this. I love this freaking program. You have no idea. All right. So here is all your notifications. Like I said, emails, messages, really anything that pops up through your phone. You're now going to get those particular messages on your PC. So we're going to clear out. Last thing we'll do is media, photos. Let me take a photo of my handsome self. There should be. I don't think I've taken any photos with this phone. This is a brand new phone I just received. So I'm actually going to do, let's see, allow camera to access device's location. Yep, that's fine. All right, take a tour. No. It's a whole other tutorial. Just got to flip this. Got to flip the script. Oop, that's not what I want here. Oh, it's right here. Duh. Here I am. Hi, how are you? So let's take a photo. Okay. And as you see, there it is. It's popping up right on the screen. Yeah, I don't know what the difference between portrait and let's try this just for balls. I really don't know what that is. Oh, there it is. Okay. I wonder if there's any filters or anything. Oh yeah, there's some filters here. Let's try. I just got a nice tan. There we go. Let's try that. Let that pop up on the screen. All right, so you get the general idea and the general gist there. We're all set. We're all ready. So I can text my sweet Jennifer from my phone. Yeah, send her a message. All right, it's just so much easier to be on a big keyboard instead of this little tiny phone to send messages. All right, so let's look at BlueStacks, and I'm going to put a link down in the description on BlueStacks because I did do a whole separate tutorial on BlueStacks. So let me bring it up for you, and let's see what we got. Oh, I thought I should send it back. Okay, so let's get into BlueStacks. I might actually have to link this phone to BlueStacks. I can't remember if it's by phone or by number. I think it's by number. Yeah, it's by number. So go to my my BlueStacks tutorial that I have down below, and I'll show you how to do it. I'm just going to bring it up real quick. So this just emulates your phone. It has the apps that are on your phone. You can put new apps if you want. So you can uninstall apps. You can go to the App Store, get new apps. You can play games on here, which is beautiful. So if you don't want to play it, the games that are on your phone will actually be on like a big screen. So you can install them, play them on your big screen. And it's only for Android, like I said. I'm going to provide the link for BlueStack in the description and my tutorial I did as far as how to use and install BlueStack. So that's it, gals and guys. That's all I have for you this time out. I just wanted to show you this great tool that I use on a consistent basis and how to set it up and how it works. And if you could please subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate it. Always looking to monetize. And if you could like this, I would appreciate it. Please share with anyone that wants to link their phone to their computer and just use their phone right on their computer when they're at home. It's so much easier. It's so much easier. And then certainly hit the bell for updates. And I'm going to go make some more videos because it's what I do. It's my life. Jennifer and making videos. Okay, guys and girls, I'll catch you later. Bye.